Hey there, it's me, Hassel with WTI, and my husband wears a leather watch. And I realized he was losing his loops constantly. So I wanted to give him something that could serve as a replacement whenever he lost one of his loops. And so that's why I got these from WOCCI. I love these because he has a brown leather watch. These ones are the 22 so these ones are the bigger ones. And the pack comes with two pairs, so that is more than enough. He's currently using one of these and he's been loving it. You can't really tell it's not part of the original watch, which is something we both appreciate. So he really loved that present. I love that it's pretty durable and lightweight, and it comes in different colors, so not only brown but also black. These also look really elegant and they're really easy to install. So if you guys are looking for that replacement loop that you lost not long ago, well, these ones are a great option. They come in different sizes and two different colors, and that is my point of view.